Hello and welcome to the Digital Orphanage. Let's pretend I'm a successful YouTuber for a moment, and that this isn't a power strip I want to dismantle, but some kind of rare retro computer. Maybe I'm in a hurry too, for some arbitrary reason you don't need to know about. But look, the pesky manufacturer doesn't want me messing with the insides of this. They've used anti-tamper screws to keep mere mortals out. Don't they know who I am? Ah, but like any retro tinkerer worth a dime, I'm fully tooled up and openly packing heat. Behold, my ammunition of choice. This one looks like it's got that screw's name on it. It's going down for sure. Foiled, and I can feel all that YouTube money slipping through my fingers. What to do? I guess I could Dremel it. Alternative rotary tools are available, like this one, because I'm a cheap ass. But we need some protection first though, eh? That's better. Now let's chase those ad dollars. Of course, I care about rare items, so I'm only going to hurt it a little bit. I figure if I cut a slot in it, I can use one of those flathead screwdrivers everybody has and loves. I mean, nobody cares about screws being damaged, am I right? I don't think anyone will notice where my hand slipped. Still, the end justifies the means, and I'm well on my way to coining more unskippable ad revenue. Only another 3 to go. Stop. Are you taking shortcuts that aren't actually shortcuts? Are you damaging things that don't need to be damaged? Don't be a tool. Make a tool instead. Ah, you mean I could fashion my own security tool instead? And undo lots of screws without damage? That's genius. Maybe I can convert this old screwdriver I use to open paint cans. Or perhaps this freebie spanner that came with an appliance. I'll go with the screwdriver. It seems the perfect width. I just need to mark it, saw it to flatten the end. I guess I could use a cheap flathead screwdriver. They're just so useful. I better measure the narrowest point between opposite notches though, and mark that on the screwdriver. Then cut 2 slots the depth of the screw head inside those lines. I was taught it's easier to take some more off than add some back. Then file down the middle section. Perfect. Now I just need to shape the teeth so they fit the screw, as they're too thick and flat. If you don't have a metal vise handy, a dish sponge and some wood and a clamp will do just as well. I'm filing downwards at an angle to get the rough shape of the teeth. But it's more fun to use the rotary tool to refine the teeth. This looks like it has some bite now. The moment of truth. Success! And I can undo as many of these as I want now. I can even put it all back together without any damage showing. Well, all but that first one. Another handy tool for my retro toolbox. And until next time, goodbye.